Alright, so since the Yamaha light come with 3 wires, turn signal, and the light that I have come with 2, all you have to do is just turn the bike on and turn this turn signal on. I stripped the wires. I got the 3 wires right here available. Stripped them. You got blue, gray, and black. What I bought, the turn signal, what I bought, it comes with just black and red. So what I'm gonna do is touch the black with the black, and if I touch the black with the, if I touch the red with the blue, that means the light is gonna stay on, you know. So touch the black with the black and the red with the blue, the light gonna stay on. If I touch the black with the black and the red with the gray, my turn signal is on. So you have a choice. You want your amber light on to be more visible, or you just want your turn signal to work. Me, I just want my turn signal to work because I have lights on my bike. So I have lights on my bike, so I really don't need the amber light on all day. You know, so what I'm gonna do is just connect the wires. First, I'm gonna turn the bike off. All right. So now it's time to put this. See how I got it? I got the yeah, just something janky, but I got the gray with the red, black with the black, and I'm going to reconnect this piece to that and connect everything back together. So let's keep that tight. These things not sticky enough. I don't even know if they're supposed to be sticky or I'm not sure. But do they supposed to go inside? You know what? This piece right here. I think we're gonna need this piece. Yeah, we're gonna need this piece right here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna undo it and get that piece done.